Are you preparing for IELTS and you want a high band score, but you're stuck between reading traps, writing mistakes, and speaking nerves? Well, you're not alone. But the good news is that you don't have to struggle anymore. After 7 years of experience with IELTS, I've created a complete IELTS mastery course. It has things from 500 synonyms required for reading to amazing idioms that help you get a high band score in speaking, proven structures for writing task 1, academic, general, and writing task 2 with actual band 9 samples with a range of 6.5 to 9 and why this is a 6.5, why it's a 7, why it's at 8, and how to get to 9. Listening strategies with actual examples, plus topic-based vocabulary banks, grammar fixes, and linking words that examiners love. And here is the actual best part. I'm not saying this out of the blue. My students have actually achieved a band 7, 7.5, an 8, an 8.5, and even a band 9 in reading, listening, speaking, you name it. This course is not just about IELTS. It's about opening doors to opportunities, universities, and careers that are your dream. So if you're actually serious about getting your dream band score, I have attached the course link in the description of this video. Click on it and let's make IELTS your success story.